Embarking on a journey to the northern landscapes of Pakistan is like stepping into a breathtaking masterpiece of nature. With towering peaks, lush valleys, and rich cultural heritage, this region promises an adventure filled with awe and inspiration. Over the course of 3 weeks, we explored some of the most stunning destinations, including Chitral, Shandur, Phander Valley, Naltar and Hunza Valley, Skardu, Khaplu, and a brief stay was also planned in Azad, Kashmir. The adventure began in Chitral, a picturesque valley nestled at the foothills of the rugged Hindu Kush Mountains. Known for its unique culture and vibrant traditions, Chitral presented a warm welcome. Chitral is a land of dramatic landscapes, ancient fortresses, and unique cultures. The region's towering peaks and glacial rivers offer incredible opportunities for trekking and adventure, while the local Kalash people maintain fascinating traditions distinct from the rest of the country. Chitral's remote beauty and rich history make it a truly captivating corner of Pakistan. From Chitral we ventured to Shandur Pass, renowned for hosting the world's highest polo ground. The drive itself was a thrilling experience with the road winding through rugged landscapes. Continuing the journey, we arrived at a lovely campsite at Phander Lake, which is a serene lake known for its striking turquoise waters and surrounding mountains, reflecting their beauty on the lake's surfaces. Within the heart of Hunza Valley, Dream Island is a real hidden gem that felt like stepping into a storybook. Surrounded by crystal clear lakes and lush greenery, this tranquil retreat offered us a perfect place to take a rest from the many hours driving. As we made our way to Hunza Valley, our excitement grew more. Known for its amazing landscapes and hospitality, Hunza did not disappoint us. The valley is home to majestic peaks like Rakaposhi and Altar Sar which dominate the skyline. A visit to Baltit and Altit Fort offered not only historical insights but captivated us with their exceptional architecture and breathtaking panoramic views of the valley below. High above the picturesque Hunza Valley, Duika View offers a fantastic view that transcends mere sightseeing. This vantage point unveils a breathtaking panorama of the valley below. From here the mighty peaks of Rakaposhi, Golden Peak and the Ladyfinger Peak are best to be seen. The majestic forts in Hunza stand as timeless sentinels, echoing the rich history and cultural heritage of bygone eras. Among Hunza Valley many dramatic features too stand out. The iconic Paso Cones and the heart-pounding Hosseini Bridge. Paso Cones or Cathedral Ridges, a geological marvel that dominates the skyline near the village of Paso. Formed by the relentless forces of erosion on the soft shale and sandstone, these cones are a testament to the raw power of nature. After having made a short stop at the Paso Cones, we headed towards the Hosseini Bridge, a 194 meters long suspension bridge constructed from ropes and planks, which spans a deep, roaring river and offers a thrilling albeit nerve-wracking passage for travelers. Next on our itinerary was the Naltar Valley, only accessible via an enthralling jeep ride through rugged terrain. The journey was exhilarating with breathtaking views of every turn. Another feature of the Naltar Valley is the many rivers that meander through its landscape, enhancing its natural beauty and ecological significance. The ride through Naltar Valley was a feast for the eyes, offering a breathtaking array of scenic beauty with every turn, from snow-capped peaks to lush green valleys. Taking a break at the Indus River banks in Baltistan, the clear blue waters and the majestic mountains provided a serene backdrop as we prepared to continue our journey to Skardu. After 5 hours drive, we reached finally Skardu, a town located in the Gilgit-Baltistan region. The city is known for its stunning natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. Situated at an altitude of about 2,500 meters, it serves as a gateway to the Karakoram range and is popular base for trekkers and mountaineers exploring the region's towering peaks, including K2 and Nanga Parbat. We followed the advice of our driver to undertake a short boat trip on the Upper Kachura Lake. The night we spent in the luxury Shangri-La Hotel at the Lower Kachura Lake, where we had breathtaking views on the lake and the surrounding mountains. Our next destination, Khaplu, which we reached after a 6-hour drive through some of most dramatic landscapes, is another hidden gem in the heart of Gilgit-Baltistan. Khaplu Palace, a former royal residence, stands as a testament to the region's storied past. Exploring the palace was an excursion back in time, being marveled at the intricate woodwork and architecture of this well-maintained palace. We were given another fantastic view over the region by hiking up to the Toxica Mosque. At the height of more than 3,000 meters, we were rewarded with a stunning panoramic view of the surrounding, looking upon Khaplu city, the Sheok River, and the imposing Mashabrum Peak, which is the 22nd highest mountain in the world. As we journeyed towards Naltar Valley, the Deosai Plateau unfolded before us, a breathtaking expanse of nature's grandeur. High above the tree line, where the air thins and the sky stretches endlessly, lies this landscape unlike any other, the Deosai Plateau, nicknamed the Land of Giants. This spectacular plateau in northern Pakistan is not only a geographical marvel but a sanctuary of untouched natural beauty and unique wildlife. Our driver tried to attract one of the murmurs with biscuits. They were hardly to be distinguished from the brownish grass and sand-colored stones. Naran Valley, located in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, was our next stopover. Beside the ride to the Lulusar Lake, we went also to Babuza Chop, which again was one more scenic drive up into the mountains. From Naran we got the chance to make a jeep ride to the legendary Saif ul Maluk Lake before we drove to the capital of Azad Kashmir, Muzaffarabad, where we were expected by our travel agent. He invited us for lunch in one of the restaurants, which was on the way to Pirchinazi. Pirchinazi is a hill station which is not only a renowned tourist spot, celebrated for its scenic beauty and tranquil atmosphere, but it is also famous for the holy shrine of Pirchinazi, which attracts pilgrims and devotees from far and wide. Our 3-week journey through northern Pakistan far exceeded our expectations. Despite having researched extensively months prior and watching numerous videos from a German Pakistani vlogger, yet I was overwhelmed by the personal experiences we encountered. The breathtaking landscapes, vibrant culture and warmth of the local people left a lasting impression on us. Each day brought new adventures, from exploring majestic mountains to savoring traditional cuisine. This trip not only broadened our horizons but also deepened our appreciation and gratitude for having been able to visit this wonderful country.